Hello, this is Amal, and in this video, I will explain to you how you can send a document to your signers using SMS, beginning with uploading a document from your local device, let's say a service agreement for this example, and then once the document is fully uploaded, click on Next to start adding your signer's information. In this step, focus on changing the sending method to SMS and then start adding your signer's name, let's say for example here Amal, and their phone number that they will receive the SMS in, and make sure that the phone number is written in English. Once you add all of your signer's information, click on Next to finish the rest of the steps of the agreement. So here in the step, adding the required fields for the signer, say for example the signature, and reviewing and sending the document, making sure that the name and the phone number of the signer are correct, and if you need to add a message, for example, you can add it right here. Then finally click on Finish and Send.